Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our edit and the update portion, right? So now I want to work for our delete. Like here I want to remove one of the user from to the user list page. So if you want to delete it, first of all here that is our view page. Into this view page here we have to put one of the route, right? So now go to our view page first. That means the add user, we don't need this right now. That is a view user. Into the view user, before I have created as edit, and also it should be edited with a specific one of the ID, right? So for the delete also you have to delete it with a specific one of the ID. So now I just simply paste it. So that will be as a user delete. Okay, I name it as a user delete. And also right now with this I have get all the data, take the things with this variable, and then with this user I want to access our user table ID, right? We have to delete it with also a specific one of the ID. As I told you before, at that point I think it is very much clear to you. So now we have to create this route. Now go to our web route, and also that will be as a one of the get method. I copy it and here I paste it, right? So that will be as a I name it as a user, sorry, that will be as a user delete. So I copy it, so that will be as a delete. Okay, that will be as a delete, and also delete will be a specific one of the ID. That means our prefix as a user delete, and then I name that as a user delete. That means that is a user delete. And now I want to create one of the method in our user controller. So that will be as a user delete. Okay, that will be as a user delete. So now I want to create this method in our user controller. So now go to our user controller. I copy it into the user controller. After this I take another one as a public, and then function, and then our method. So that will be our method. So into the method area, first of all we have to pass our ID, right? So that is actually the ID, that means our requested ID. So now I simply pass this ID, right? And after that, first of all we have to pass it, we have to delete it with a specific one of the ID. So here right now I'm using that looking.orm. So I take one of the variable as a user, and then our user model. With this user model I want to find our this ID. That means that is actually our requested ID, right? So I simply find it, and after that I take this specific ID data and take the things with this variable, right? So right now this data I want to delete. So here with this user I want to add that our delete method. So that will be automatically deleted. And after that delete, if you want to display some of the message, you can display it. That means our toaster message, but I copy it, and after that here I paste it. So also it should be redirect to our view same page, that means our list page. That means the user view with the notification, and it should be display that notification as a user deleted. Okay, user deleted successfully. So this type of one of the notification it should be display. Okay friend, perfect. So that's all you have to do. Now click as a save all, and now if you go there, click as a refresh. And now I want to delete this one. Okay, that means the Kazi, I want to delete it. Click as a delete. Yes, you can see it's now successfully deleted. That the user deleted successfully, and it's now totally deleted from here, and also it should be deleted from our database, and you can see it's now successfully deleted. So friend, here one things I hope you noticed, because of all here if you click as a delete directly, it's actually deleted. So it not should be do that work like that way, right? So here I want to use that sweet alert. So into the sweet alert area, first if you want to use it, first of all it should be display as a are you sure to delete, and after that, and when you make sure that is a file will be deleted, then after that it should be deleted. Okay, so how can add that toaster into the Laravel project? In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.